Good morning, student. Today I am going to complete the question answer of Interpreter of Mahabharata. Student, in this chapter, for this chapter we have already discussed about in our online class. In this chapter we saw that how Mr. Das families came into India to see our Konark temple and two other places. And by the narrator means Mr. Kapasi is a narrator here in this story. And he also explained about the Das family, the characteristics of Mr. Das, Mrs. Das, and their children. Their three children name is Ronnie, Bobby, and their little daughter name is Tina. Students, by this chapter we saw that how people, those are lived in America, but they are interested to India or they are interested to grooming in India. After that, student, I think you understood this story through your online classes. Now you come on your exercise question and see. Come on page number 90. See question number first in overview. Filling the blanks of the sentences given below with one of the phrases given in the bracket. The family in this story are foreign tourists of Indian heritage of their way to see the Sun Temple at Konark. Your right answer is foreign tourists of Indian heritage. Now come on question number 2. The events of this story are related from the point of view of Mr. Das, Mr. Kapasi, Mrs. Das. Answer is Mr. Kapasi. Mr. Kapasi is a car driver, tourist guide, friend of the family. Tourist guide is right answer, students. The story is a description of the Das family from the point of view of Mr. Kapasi, a description of the adventures of the Das family on the way to Konark, a description of how our tourists behave when they visit India. Answer is A description of the Das family from the point of view of Mr. Kapasi. And read and answer question number first. I have already sent in your group. Then now you complete with the help of pictures in your group. Now you complete it. And after that come on question number second. Was the Das family visiting India as tourists or was there any other purpose for their presence in the country? Students, Das family visiting India as tourists or was there any other purpose is only for grooming India, not any other purpose. Now after that, see your question number 3 as usual I have sent in your book, then you complete with the help of your group pictures. Come on question number 4A. Question number 4 is, but according to your copy you write question number first A. Question is, they were seated in groups along the branches with shining black faces, silver bodies, horizontal eyebrows, and twisted heads. Their long grey tails dangled like a series of ropes among the leaves. Question is, to whom or what is the author making reference with the word they? And I think you know who is they here. They is monkey. And what name does Kapasi use to describe them? Answer is here. The author is making a reference to the monkeys that were seated in groups along the branches while they were on their way to Konark. Mr. Kapasi said that they were referred to as Hanuman in India. Now you come on question number 4B. What do they do? How do the children react to them? How does Mr. Das explain their reaction? Answer is here. They were seated in groups along the branches with shining black faces, silver bodies with horizontal eyebrows. A few monkeys scratched themselves. One monkey leaped onto the road and Mr. Kapasi had to brake his car suddenly. Children were very excited and sucked in their breath and covered their faces with their hands. According to Mr. Das, children had never seen these animals outside a zoo. Student, listen carefully. You have 3 questions in 1 sentences. Then be careful and complete your answer. Now student, after that you come on question number C. Contrast the reaction of Mr. and Mrs. Das to these creatures. Students, come on your answer for contrast the reaction of Mr. and Mrs. Das to these creatures. Answer is here. Mrs. Das was also excited like his children. He wanted to take pictures of the monkeys and Mrs. Das who appeared to be bored with the whole thing. While Mr. Das was taking pictures, Mrs. Das was busy to paint her nails. She was not interested to seeing these creatures. After that, student, come on page number 92. After this, your question answer of page number 91, seeing page number 92 from Think and Answer. But according to your copy, you write question number 2. Question number 2 is, she did not express irritation or embarrassment or react in any other way to the man's declaration. Who is she to whom the writer makes reference in the extract? Where was she at this time? Answer is, the writer is referring to Mrs. Das in the extract. She was stopped at tea stall to buy some clubbed rice and peanuts at that time. Now, come on, next question. Who is the man to whom the writer refers to in the extract? What does the writer mean by the man's declaration? Answer is here, one of the men at the tea stall started singing a phrase from Hindi love song as Mrs. Das walked back to the car. By this incident, the writer is referring to the words in the Hindi love song that the man was singing for Mrs. Das. Your next question is, the writer implies here that Mr. Kapasi expected that she would react in some way to what the man declared. Why did she not react at all? What does this tell you about the Das family? Then answer is here, Mrs. Das did not react to the song that the man was singing because I think she did not know the language our understanding. Now student, no need to write question number 2 and 3 because you have written question number first ABC and second ABC. All are related to answer of question number 2 and 3. Then don't write in your copy. And after that, you come on page number 91 and see your question is here. Was the Das family, listen carefully, was the Das family visiting India as tourists or was there any other purpose for their presence in the country? Answer is here, Das family was visiting to their parents as they did every couple of years. And during this trip, they decided to also see the Sun Temple in Konark, Orissa. Student, before the completing of question answer of this chapter, you write word meaning in your copy and complete in neat and clean writing. Thank you.